A mile-long bridge linking the northernmost towns of Cagayan to the southern parts of the province and elsewhere in the region was officially unveiled by the president earlier today. The bridge provides huge relief as a more convenient alternative for speedier commute and increased trade with other communities in the province and region, as we hear the details from our Kenneth Paciente.
For the further improvement of regional connectivity and mobility, particularly in northern Luzon, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself led the inauguration of the Camalaniugan Bridge in Alcala, Cagayan today. The bridge has a total length of 1,580 meters, consisting of 1,100 meters of approach bridges and a 480-meter cable-stayed main span. The president said the bridge will serve as a link connecting the towns of Camalaniugan and Apari, providing a new transportation link within the province. Its primary purpose is to create an alternative route to the Magapit Suspension Bridge, previously the only bridge crossing the Cagayan River in northernmost part of Cagayan. With the opening of the bridge, travel time between Apari and Ballesteros is expected to take 20 minutes from the previous 1-hour trip. It also expected to ease traffic, slash transportation costs, and make daily commutes more convenient for residents and transport operators.
Nakakatuwa dahil napakalaking bagay ang paglagay ng ganitong klaseng tulay dahil, as all of you here are well aware, it cuts the travel time. Imbis na umiikot na napakalayo para tumawid, ay nandito na yung ating Camalaniugan Bridge.
The chief executive further stressed that the bridge will boost the provincial economy, especially with an estimated 6,000 travelers per day expected to benefit from it. This will support regional trade, agriculture, logistics, and tourism, while reinforcing the government's commitment to modern, resilient, and people-centered infrastructure development.
Ako'y nakakasiguro na ang tulay na ito, magbabago ang ekonomiya sa magkabila ng tulay na ito. Mabubuksan, maraming mabubuksan. And this will give many opportunities for our mga in the surrounding areas, pabibigyan ng mga opportunities for new jobs, for new businesses. And I'm sure that you will feel the effects, the economic effects in a very short time.
President Marcos Jr. also commended the provincial government of Cagayan for the successful completion of the bridge, despite several infrastructure-related issues. The president hopes the Camalaniugan Bridge will serve as a model for other bridges to be built in various parts of the country. The bridge officially opened to the public today. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV for a New and Better Philippines.